Alright guys, so this is going to be part 2 of me cutting my ends. So right now I'm going to dye my hair black because I don't know, I just want to have one color. So it's gonna be 2021 healthy hair, all that good stuff. So I want to start fresh, I guess I want to say, but yeah. So that's what I'm going to do. I know usually people don't want to use buck on the box hair dye, but I had this. I bought this a long time ago. I was supposed to use it. I never gotten to use it. I don't know why, but this is what I'm going to use to dye the end of my hair and stuff. And this is the I don't know if I showed you guys, but this is the hair I cut off and stuff. So yeah, if you guys saw that the video where I cut my hair, let me know what you guys think. This is what it looks like now. It definitely look way more healthier than what it was looking like. So I like it. I don't know, I keep touching my hair for some reason because I think I like it. So yeah, so let's get into dyeing my hair. Alright guys, so here I'm just adding the color on my hair. I didn't really section it or anything since it was already straight, so I didn't have to do too much. I just put it in there. I tried to put if even though some of the strands they didn't look blonde, but like if you look really hard, like you'll see some had like a little brown to it. I think it's because I didn't section it. I should have just sectioned it. But it turned out cute though, so I'm just adding it here on my hair. I'm sure you guys don't really need an explanation on how to do that, but yeah. So I'm just gonna keep adding that till all my hair is saturated, and then I'm gonna leave it. Yeah. So guys, I'm done. I'm going to wait 30 minutes and then I'll wash it out. So guys, oh my god, so this is my hair. I think some of the pieces didn't take excuse, I have a hiccups. But I love this. You guys see how healthy my hair look? but I'm not keeping it curly, unfortunately. I will be keeping it curly later, but not right now. So I'm going to blow dry my hair and then straighten it, and then I will show you guys that process, since I don't have no me straightening my hair video on there. But I think I'm liking this black hair. I have not had black hair in a long time, so yeah. And you guys can see, like, my ends look so good. I love it. I needed that cut. But yeah, I'll show you guys the rest of the process. So guys, this is my hair after I blow dried it. So, and you guys can tell my blonde cut. It looks so funny though. Alright, so now I'm going to straighten it. I have my Babyliss Titanium Pro. So I have it at 45. I have it at 45, so I'm going to do that. So I'm gonna use the slow comb to somewhat trace. Alright, here we go. I usually do I usually use a brush, but I'm using this comb because I can't find my brush, so I don't think it's even here, so that's why I'm using this. my hair, guys. So I'm going to do this other side and I'll be back, because you know this about to take a long time, so I'll be back. So guys, this is the final result. I like it really. And my hair looks shiny and stuff, so yeah, I really like the black on me. Let me know in the comment what you guys think. So if you guys like it, so this was New Year's, so this is another picture of what it looks like. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like,